How to remove Instagram account from login list on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram account and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now here on your homepage, what you want to do next is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on your profile icon there, and then on the upper right, here on your profile. Now on the upper left, you will see your username there. Tap on your username and here you'll see a lot of options there, right? So as you can see, you cannot log out directly, but you can switch your account. So to be able to remove Instagram account from your login list on iPhone, then what you want to do is to go here to your menu and go to settings and scroll all the way down up until you see log out, and here log out of all account. So here toggle on the accounts that you want to keep logged into your account. Keep the account that you want to log out toggle off and tap on log out. Log out there. And as you can see, you have now successfully removed Instagram account from the login list on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.